BroNoah24, and I'll be showing you how to build a Lego Evil Guy go-kart. It'll look like this when you're done. Cool little, cool little zapper right there. That little guy's right here, and there's a little keyboard even to this car. It's pretty cool. There's this thing on the back that could be like a bar or something, you know, that goes up, like, or something like that. And you can stand up and twist that so it can fan itself off in the race. So it goes, but it can't like drive it. It'll have to like press those buttons right there on the keyboard, and this will go in circles and circles and circles, and it'll be open. It's just pretty cool. Okay, now this is how you build it. Just let me take it apart first. You just take it apart first. Okay, you'll need a mandolin torso, a mandolin pants, or you can get this, it doesn't matter. You can get this from a Star Wars, that big green thing. It's pretty cool, but I crushed mine, so pretty sad. A gray one, a dark gray one, and a light gray one. 2x3s. Doesn't matter if they're same color or not. One of these with not a hole, but this little plus thing in it. 2 of these wheels, like this. They can be white or they can be gray. It doesn't matter. Okay, and here is, and you also get one of these gray wheels, but if you don't have to, if you have about 2 of these, it's pretty cool. One of these dashboard pieces, 3 of these pieces, these motor pieces like this, slanted. I don't know how Lego Paradise calls them, but I don't really know. You need 3 of those. Here's the first 2. You need one of these pieces. It's a 1x2 with 1x2 with studs on right here. A piece like that, a piece like this, a stud, and a dish. What's it called? One of these pieces, but I don't know what Lego Paradise calls them. One of these pieces, you can get that from Sabula's Pod Racer, from the mini Star Wars collector sets. One of these pieces from, you can get these at a Technican. Red stud right there, like that. One of these pieces right there, and I need 2 of those, and one of these red pieces, and one of these window pieces, one of these cone pieces, and another one of those cone pieces, 2. It doesn't matter what color they are. They can be the same, they can be not the same, it doesn't matter. A 1x8, a 2x8, a 2x8, yeah, and a 2x8 gray, any color, it doesn't matter. A 1x3, black. One of these pieces, but I don't know what Lego Paradise calls them. 2x1, or 1x2. 2x2. A grill piece, and one of these pieces right there that can make it go up, and can make it go down. Okay, this is how you now get to the building. Okay, you'll need that piece right here. This is the beginning. Okay, and you'll need the pieces shown right now, right here. But here's a closer. Just let me put this to the side. Oh, there we go. Right there. Okay, these are the pieces you'll be building the bottom with the wheels part. Okay, you take this piece, now 1x6, it's a 1x8, or 2x8. One of those, and another one of those, like that. And the 2 wheels, and 2 more wheels. These 2 pieces. Okay, so start building. You got to get these pieces and pop them into here. Okay, and keep doing it to the other one, like that, and like this. So now, looks like that. You just pop them into there, like this, and push it in there. Nice and good rolling. Just put this right there, and put that one right there. Right there, so it looks like that, and there's left one of those in the front. Okay, so now you're gonna take one of these and these pieces now, and this piece too, and this piece, and you take this piece and put it into here, and this and then put it into here, so it looks like that. And this one, also I didn't tell you, I told you about that in the beginning. It might screw off sometimes. You put that on there, put that on there, and put this one onto here. Okay, then you take this piece, the window piece, and the motor piece, this piece, and that piece, and this piece, and this piece. Okay, first you're going to put that piece right there if you want. You can put that right there or right here. I'll just put it in there when we're finished building it because I don't remember where it goes. And you put that right there, and this goes on here. Wait, and then you put that onto here, and you put these right on there, like this, but like this, where it's like that, and then like this goes in here, like that. Then you take that and put it right here. You just turn it around, then you, cause I put it on backwards, I'm sorry. Then you don't put that down yet, but you can if you want. And to make the last piece, you just put that right there. Forgot about that in the beginning, right there. You take this piece, and actually you put this grill piece right onto this window right here, so it looks like that, right here. And then you just put it back on there. Okay, and then you'll take your 1x3 and that too, and just put that thing right here, the keyboard right there, sorry. And you put this one right here, so where it's sticking out like this, looks like that. Then you take these and put them into here, so it looks like this, and put them into here, so it looks like this. That's the little piece of it, and then you just take this one, put it on top of there like that, and then you put the other one like this, and like this, so now it looks like that. And then one of these light gray studs, it doesn't matter what color it is, it can be any color, and you take it and put it right there, so it looks like this, in the middle, right there, as you can see that stud, and just put it on the middle one, like that. There's a little zapper, there's that little zapper I was talking about. You make the guy, you can build it easily. You just take that, and just put it like that, and then you just take this head, and put it into there. Now you just sit her down like that, put her hands out like that, put her on here or on here. I think right there is the best place. And then just put that on here, and there we go. It's a cool Lego thing. It's a go-kart for an evil scientist. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and tell your friends to watch this too. I think it just black.